Well, as you can see, welcome back to the channel. We're going ahead and upgraded the old fogged up headlights. They're cracked. I wasn't even gonna waste my time trying to sand them, so go ahead and do this little minor upgrade. And I ordered all LED headlight bulbs when I ordered the housings, but I forgot to get turn signal bulbs, so I ran out to Advance Auto and they didn't have LEDs in stock. I went riding all over everywhere. I just grabbed some regular bulbs. We'll change them later, but for now we're gonna jump right into it and unbox these and show y'all what exactly you get for, I'd say, less than $150 I have in this set. Between bulbs, even the blinker bulbs, the LED headlight bulbs, the blinker bulbs, and the housings, $150, mind you. So here we are, guys. I'm gonna leave the wrap on them for just this moment so I don't get them all fingerprinted all up. But yeah, I got the chrome bezels, clears instead of yellow, factory yellow. But I could have saved $20, so we'll knock the price from $150 down back down to about $136. They came with bulbs. Nice to know. Didn't say that in the description, but oh well. We'll jump right into putting these in, show y'all what we need to do. The pain in the butt part about these newer model trucks, it ain't like my old round body. You just pull two pins and put new headlights in. I gotta pull this bezel, this grill, this cover, and then the headlights can come out. So I'll jump back at it when I get all that pulled off. Y'all should kind of know how to pull that off. If not, there's probably some other YouTube videos on it. This ain't really going to be an install video, more or less just showing you what you can get for less than $150 to spruce up the look of this old 2014. Now she's about 12 years old. It's crazy to think. So after getting these three pieces off and this headlight off, this is the difference. Whew. Still got the plastic on her. I ain't gonna get all my fingerprints all over it because my hands is dirty. But get rid of that. For that. So before I show you all the final product, you're gonna need a 10mm, a T15 Torx bit for your fender and fender well bolts, 7mm wrench, 10mm wrench, flathead, ratchet, possibly a pick, and a 7mm socket. That being said, that's all the tools you need for this install. I'm not, like I said, I'm not showing you all complete step-on-step install, but here's the final product. I love it, guys. So gives it a lot better, cleaner look for less than $150. That's a huge difference in the front end of that truck versus them crusty old things. So yeah, that's a huge upgrade for you guys wanting to do small, cheap upgrades on your vehicles. That makes a world of difference in nighttime riding and the looks of the truck. Thanks for watching. I'll show you all these LEDs real quick. Like always, make sure y'all drop a like, comment what y'all want to see done next on the page, whether it's side-by-side content or continue to truck content. I thank y'all. Rock on, guys. slick. Slick Rick on. Definitely worth the money. I might upgrade the blinkers to LED eventually, but I'm not too worried about it. Just slick. I'm gonna end it off here. I might throw a couple pictures of it going down the road or down at the bridge, but that's about all for today, guys. I'll drop a comment or a link down in the description for the headlight bulbs and the housings. Two separate people. I'm not sponsored by either one of them. I'm just showing y'all what y'all can do for cheap. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. This is low beams and fog lights. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know this bulb is out. You'll see in some recent clips in this video on the high beams it's out, but I already sent them a message. We're gonna try to get this straight and get high beams back working.